Hey, it's Joe Glines, and in this video, I just want to document, when you comment on a line, now I can't remember what the default is for it, but I set mine to Control Q, so it'll toggle making a line commented out or not. And of course, I can toggle multiple lines at one time by hitting the same thing. But you'll notice at the beginning of mine, it doesn't just put in a semicolon, kind of like you see here. It puts in a semicolon, the tilde, and a space, right? And I don't recall if that's the default. I don't think it is, but you can change that by going to your Omni menu and search for Edit, Comment, Insert. And this is where you can adjust that to whatever you want. So if I just want it to be a semicolon, let's say semicolon and asterisk. That might be interesting to look at. Actually, that probably, it wouldn't work because to start with. So let me get rid of these. So now, when I hit my thing to comment it out, it dumps them all in. See that? So it's what's nice is you can just personalize it. So I'm going to put it back. Alt M, edit, comment, insert, and this is what I like. So it's the semicolon, tilde, and a space. It's important. It's not that important, but it is important that you stay consistent, because later when you go back to a script and you hit your toggle, if it isn't the same characters, like in this one here, if I use it, it doesn't work, right? So it needs to be, let me put this at the front, get rid of this, and now when I do it, oops, I forgot the space, there we go. So now it'll work just fine, right? Of course that would break because that's not a command, but you get the idea. Anyway, it's nice. I mean, there are so many settings in Studio. I could make 8 million videos, and I'm not. But this is one that it's nice just to make sure you get it the way you want it. All right, cheers.